Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Settings and scroll down. Then go into Privacy Protection, click on All Permissions, and pick one of your device's features, like location. Then you need to pick one of your apps. I will go with Maps, for example, because it has a lot of options. And now select one of them. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always just click on one of your apps and this time select See All Maps Permissions. Then manage all of them just for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!